Hello and welcome to AC Entertainment Technologies and this, the Green Hippo Nevis Plus. The Nevis Plus is physically the smallest media server in the Green Hippo range at 1U high and only half rack width. Its small form factor means that it can be mounted singularly in a rack or side by side with another Nevis Plus, or it even has a VESA mount, so you can mount it with a TV on a bracket. But even though it's compact, it still has the complete Hippotizer toolset, so it packs a punch. On the back panel of the Nevis Plus, you'll find one 4K DisplayPort 1.2, which will be your production output. This output has virtual EDID management, which we would always recommend using in case a cable is accidentally pulled out or a device downstream of the Nevis Plus stops working. The production output also supports splitters, so the Nevis Plus could feed into a product such as the DataPath FX4, where you could then get two independent HD signals from your single production output. Or maybe you have two HD LED wall processors, so you'd feed a left and right signal from one mix in Hippotizer. All of these options are easy to configure in the output manager of Hippotizer. The second 4K DisplayPort 1.2 connection is for your Zookeeper user interface. You then have two network ports. The first is labeled as HippoNet, where HippoNet is for cascading multiple Green Hippo servers or connecting a remote PC that's running Zookeeper. The second network port is for connecting third-party devices, so maybe NDI for capturing live cameras into the Nevis, or maybe ArtNet or MANet for connecting your lighting console, or maybe connecting to an ArtNet to DMX node for pixel mapping. Hippo servers love being controlled by external devices, but equally they like controlling third-party products too, so you'll likely be communicating through one of these two connections. Next, you have two USB connections, typically for your keyboard and mouse, but I quite often see operators use a USB hub and then attach their external sound cards or MIDI timecode interfaces. Lastly, you have two 3.5mm jack connections for audio in and out of the Nevis Plus. The Hippotizer software is packed full of tools to help operators and creatives manipulate content in real time. Features include Output Manager for patching your physical output ports to virtual mixes. A mix is like saying your overall canvas, where each mix can have up to 16 layers of playback. Video Mapper, which today you'd use mostly to map LED walls. This component will pixel accurately assist an operator in resizing their mix to fit LED panels, even across a multitude of different pixel pitch panels. Pixel Mapper, which is for mapping video content across many thousand light points, which maybe you output via ArtNet, SACN, or KaiNet. Visualizer, which is a powerful pre-programming tool allowing models created in common 3D formats to be imported and reduces the steps from concept to reality in full resolution and frame rate. Timeline Plus, where you can program hundreds of playback parameters in a keyframe interface, almost creating an autopilot system for playing back your looks, or perhaps they are synced with timecode. You can also drag and drop pre-recorded looks into the new preset timeline for quick and easy show programming. These 5 features are just my favorites. There are so many more to help you deliver content to any display or project onto any object or light, all of which can be triggered and integrated into the heart of your project's control system. To summarize, the Green Hippo Nevis Plus is a compact media server packed full of tools, stock content to help creatives unlock their visions in real time. The Nevis Plus could fit neatly into a cabin bag, allowing operators to travel around with ease between the world stages, knowing they have all the power and features with the Nevis Plus to deliver crisp, smooth playback for everyone to enjoy. Ow!